Be ready. Start. If an officer, because of an unsatisfactory record and unfavorable confidential reports, is not selected for a selection post and some other officer junior to him is selection in preference, this does not amount to the withholding of promotion. Stop. If any inquiry is held against an officer and an order of censure is passed on him, it is open to him to appeal. If he does not appeal or his appeal is rejected, and if subsequently, because of the existence of this censure in his record, he is not selected for a selection post and some other officer junior to him is selected in preference. This also does not amount to the withholding of promotion. Stop. If, however, an inquiry is held against an officer and an order is passed that he should not be promoted to a selection post for a definite period or until he has obtained good reports, this order would amount to the infliction of the penalty of withholding promotion. Stop. This distinction between non-selection for a selection post and the withholding of a promotion may be summed up as being that in the former case the officer in question is considered for selection but some other officer is preferred on his merits, while in the latter case the officer in question has been declared beforehand as a disciplinary measure to be ineligible for a selection irrespective of the merits of the other officers available. Stop. While reduction of seniority as an independent penalty is not provided for in Rule 4 and cannot be imposed as such, the loss of seniority as a result of an order of reduction to a lower post or time scale being inherent in the order of reduction cannot be avoided. Stop. Over.